This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling virtualization in your PC firmware so the VM can use hardware acceleration. Once done, download VirtualBox and the extension pack, plus the Ubuntu Desktop ISO. You then open VirtualBox and click New, name the VM and select Linux, right arrow Ubuntu. Create a virtual disk of at least 20 GB and choose VDI dynamically allocated. Make sure to set memory. I recommend 24 GB depending on your host. This gets you to the creation screen ready to fine-tune settings. You now configure the VM for a smooth install. Allocate 2 or more CPU cores and 2 4 GB RAM and use a dynamically allocated VDI disk. Attach the Ubuntu ISO to the VM storage controller and confirm network mode. NAT is simplest. Start the VM, the Ubuntu installer boots. Follow prompts for language, keyboard updates, and third-party drivers. Then choose Guided Install to erase the virtual disk and create your user account. The installer copies files and installs. Once installation completes, remove the ISO from storage and reboot the virtual machine into your new Ubuntu system. After logging in, install VirtualBox Guest Editions to enable clipboard sharing, better video drivers, and folder sharing. Then run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to get the latest fixes. Make a snapshot so you can revert quickly if something goes wrong. If the VM won't boot or performance is poor, make sure Hyper-V is disabled on Windows and VTX or AMD-V is enabled in firmware before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.